Hey guys, we kinda find out how to save the name. Let's go here, say video ID, video. Now, let me copy this line. Okay, copy that and paste it here. And let's say video ID. Here, let's say, yes, already name it video ID, video. What video ID we call this video ID and .csv. I think it's enough. What about dates? We should get something here too. Let's put str here, and before video ID let's put something amazing here. It's going in to be in a 4, I think. Let's say, for example, I, and let's make stri video ID. I say to why we do this. Okay, that's good for now. Let's define I here. Now let's run this. Okay, here is wrong. Let me delete this. Run this. Okay, let's just make it to be here. No, that's right. Okay, now it might work. What I do? Where is the problem? Here is the problem. We don't have to put that here. Oh, we put this here. That's right too. Let's run it again. And now our if function is ready, but it has a lot of work to do. For now, let's just change the things a little. We need to create a data, that command video ID. We can. Okay, let's see what the data give us. We call the command saving. Let's give it a video ID. For the video ID, I choose this. For now, and then it need a date. It doesn't do anything with it. It's okay. Let's run it. Okay, name video ID is not defined. Okay, this video ID is different from the video ID we are using. Let me just put it back, run it again. Now run it. Name video ID is not defined. Video ID. Oh, sorry. We do something terribly wrong. I can just delete this and then let's do this again. This time I think it might work. Yes, it worked. Let's see what we have in our data. Let's refresh. d.csv. No, this is 5 video. Okay, we kinda make some mistakes. Let's fix it. For the video ID, we put this here. and then str video ID. I think we name it video ID. That's good. I think we are good. Let's run it again. Let's refresh another time. Okay, as you can see, we are creating the data perfectly right. This is the end for this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe.